Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
This craft makes paper ice cream for display, not for eating, using paper, glue, and lightweight stuffing like fiberfill. Start by gathering materials. 8. 5x11-inch colored paper for scoops, white cardstock for cones, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, and craft glue. Measure and cut 2 3. 5-inch diameter circles for each scoop and 1/8. 5x11-inch cone template that wraps to 3 inches at the top. Have about 1 tablespoon of glue ready per seam, and plan 30 minutes total build time. Fold each 3. 5-inch circle twice to mark quadrant creases, then cut a 1/4-inch slit to form a small cone shape that will become the scoop base. Apply 1 tablespoon of craft glue along the slit, roll the paper gently into a shallow cone, and press the seam for about 20 seconds to set. Push in roughly 5 grams of fiberfill to give a fluffy, rounded top, then close the opening with a small patch of paper and another drop of glue. Layer 2 scoops for a double scoop model, and glue them together for 30 seconds to secure the seam. Cut an 8. 5x11-inch cardstock cone template and roll it to a 3-inch opening, trimming excess so the cone height is about 6 inches. Use 2 dabs of glue to set the cone shape. Attach scoops to the cone with 2 dabs of glue each, pressing for 15 seconds per attachment to ensure they hold. Then decorate with small paper bits for sprinkles or use markers to draw sugar lines. Seal visible seams with 1 thin strip of paper. Allow 15 minutes drying time, and display your paper ice cream at room temperature as a lasting decoration.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.